So, how to choose the young blooper. Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple vegetable and fishball soup. For the vegetable, I'm going to use watercress. This watercress is really young and it must be so sweet. How to choose the young watercress? You can notice that the stem is really small and thin and it looks very green and not so yellow. If you see a very thick and hard stem, that is not young. But if you can take a look at this one, you see, it's really young and it's very soft and crisp. So when we break it, you can hear the sound crack. For the young watercress like this, it is really sweet to make soup. Let's go and cook it. Since the watercress is so young and fresh, I can just break them into shorter strands to make it easier to eat. Put a small pot on the stove, add about 700 ml of water, and switch on the heat. Half teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1½ tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir to combine and dissolve all the seasoning into the water. Add 45 grams of cut white radish for sweetness. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil. This takes around 3 to 4 minutes. After about 3 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Add 100 grams of baby corn cut into half, 70 grams of green peas cut into half, and 150 grams of fish ball. Stir to combine. Alright, now we can give it a taste. It's already very sweet and delicious. Switch off the heat. Lastly, add the young watercress. Stir it to submerge all the watercress into the hot soup. The residual heat from the hot soup will cook the watercress. Cover the pot and allow it to rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer it to a serving bowl. Let's eat! Wow! The soup is so sweet, so fragrant, and the vegetable is so crunchy. Green pea is crunchy, fragrant, and the sweet corn is so sweet. It goes well with the soup. Delicious. This is a very simple soup to cook for weeknight dinner. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!